In this video, I'm here to tell you, do not make New Year's resolutions. And why? But first, if you haven't noticed the lighting, it will be back up and ready to go for the next video. Sorry it's so dark, but I had to give this information to you guys today. Thanks. This New Year's, don't make resolutions. And if you already have, because it is a week later, they may already be forgotten about, or at least by the end of the month. That's the problem with resolutions. It's to quit something. It's to force yourself to do something. And it doesn't last very long. Instead of making those resolutions that come around every year, that inevitably not too many people stick to. I'm also guilty. Resolution, quit smoking, quit this, lose weight, exercise. However, there are people out there writing down their goals, and they're wanting to use 2022 to shoot to the top of those goals, change their life, to change their future, to change every year. So I suggest to start this process and bringing in those new things that you want. First, you have to let things go. More than one way and more than one thing. So if you're looking to bring in new, wonderful things for 2022, or if you're listening to this in a different year, in any year, if you are looking to bring better things into your life, don't make a resolution that everyone at some point in their life has just not done. This year, make it happen. Make it a real change. If you have a glass, let's say for instance, you have a glass of water. It's full. Now, what if you take more water and pour it on top of it? Because you want more in life. You want more. So you're going to pour more water in that cup. What's going to happen to that water? It's going to overflow. You cannot put something else in the cup when it's already full. This could be inside your heart, in your life in general, something else in your house. It could be many things. You cannot put something in without first taking something out. So this one thing, for instance, no matter what you want in your life, it is time to declutter. Not only declutter your home, declutter the people that are in your life. If they are toxic, if they are dragging you down, if they are negative constantly. Yes, they may be loved ones, they may be family members. It doesn't mean just throw them away. You don't throw people away. What I'm saying is limit the time you spend with them. Just limit it to bring more positive into your life. When it comes to items, if you have something from an ex, if you have something that's old, if you have something you don't even use anymore, why do you still have it? All of these things, if they are no use to you, and when you look at them, you may have a few not so good memories, those are the things you need to let go of. Because all those memories have your cup so full. How do you think you're going to put new memories in? Better memories in? Now, don't get me wrong, I don't mean to throw everything away. There are specific items of memories when your child was a baby. Those first steps. There's certain things that are really held dear to us. A picture of past relatives that you were close with. I'm not saying get rid of those items that mean something good, that are really deep in your heart. I'm saying get rid of the old shirt, get rid of an old dress, the clothes. I'll fit into that later. No, because if you empty the cup and you believe that your life is going to change, wholeheartedly believe, and you make an effort to change your life for the better, those are just items. You can get them later. They don't matter right now. A better life matters. For instance, I know someone who literally sold their house. That doesn't mean they're on the streets. They just didn't have a need for such a big home. So they decided to change. Wasn't serving them anymore. You can always get stuff. If you want better stuff, get rid of the old stuff. So those of you out there who have written your goals down, made a plan, not just a resolution, but a life plan, a goal for your future, year after year after year, then start decluttering all the old that you don't need. Because if you stay where you are with certain things around you that hold old memories and they're not serving you, it's already too full. Don't be surprised if you do not declutter and you ask for more. Don't be surprised if you don't get it. I'm just telling you the truth. All these things hold energy to them. And I know you guys, most of you have heard, energy is everything and everything is energy. And if you have the bad energy around, kind of filling up your air, I look at it like this. Too much bad energy is stifling. It fills the air. It's stuffy. But when you tend to get rid of it, you can breathe free again. You have room for change. You have room for growth. And the growth is you deciding you want to do and be better in your life for you. I would love to hear what you're going to change, what you're going to take out of that cup this year. And have you written your goals? Leave them in the comments. But for now, if anything resonated with you in this video, hit the like, subscribe, ring that bell notification, because I'm dedicated to being here, to helping you ride the healing waves to your best life.